Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new. So today I'm going to be trying out the Beetles nail tips and glue set, and this was sent to me by Beetles to try out. And I do know that this had gone viral a while back. I am quite late to reviewing this, but here I am just showing you the box and everything. And I do realize that it has HEMA in here, so if you're allergic to that, then definitely be careful before purchasing this product, or if you're going to buy it for someone else. So I'm just going to quickly go through everything that comes in the box. You get a hand file, some nail cutters, which are very nice. You of course get the little lamp, and this has about like 4 little LED bulbs. You also get the cord as well, which is quite a standard cord. And of course you get the nail tips. Here you get sizes 1 to 10, and I feel like these sizes were very good. The smallest size, which is number 10, did not fit my pinky finger, but I'm basically going to be filing down the pinky finger anyway, as well as the others, so just so that they fit me a little bit better. And here I am just showing you one of the nail tips. So the quality of these nail tips are pretty good. I feel like even now as I'm wearing them, they feel very strong. And now it's actually a couple days after I filmed the video, and so far they're still doing very well. So next we have the actual nail glue, which is basically the gel part that you use to adhere the nail tips onto your nail. And as you can see, the consistency of this is quite good. It's nice and thick, and I think it will work really good. So I'm really excited to actually try this out today. But today I'll also be using something else. I'm using the 5-in-1 builder gels from Savvyland, and they actually sent me this, and I was very interested to try because I don't really use builder gel so much, but I feel like this would work really good on top of Gel X nails, because sometimes these nails can be a little flat, so I feel like it's nice to be able to build a little bit of thickness using something else on top. So these builder gels are like a 5-in-1, and I thought that the consistency was going to be a lot thicker, but as you can see, it's quite thin. It's a very gel polish kind of consistency, so I'm not sure I would actually call this a builder gel. I don't think I would be able to build a nail with this without getting it like spreading all over my cuticles and all over the nail. So I would just use this as like something to kind of paint my nails with, like as a color, but I don't think I would use it as a builder gel. I think I might be able to get away with using these little gels for like the apres method itself, which will be quite interesting to try. So yeah, that might be something that I try. So my nails are in pretty bad state. I did file off the like base coat that I had on, and I'm just quickly doing some nail prep, just pushing back the cuticles and removing them with my cuticle nippers. And I'm also going to be doing some e-filing around the cuticles as well. So taking a sanding band, I'm also just going to clean up around the cuticle and also kind of just take this time to buff the nail as well. So taking that Beetles gel, I'm just going to apply a really thin layer of this to my nails. This is going to be like the base coat / slip layer. So this is going to help the gel to kind of glide on when we apply the nail tips. So I went ahead and cured that for 60 seconds, and I'm just going to quickly show you how I had to reshape some of the nails. These nails, these nail tips were a good length and they were very like strong. However, I found that my cuticle area is a lot more round and these tips were quite square. So I did have to just file the cuticle area a bit, and I also decided to take the file in the kit and just buff over the cuticle area itself, like over the top of the nail, so that it kind of sits more flush to my cuticles, and this is going to prevent lifting and it's going to help the nails to last longer. So that's actually something I strongly recommend. So I'm just starting off now applying the first nail. I'm going to do like a bit of like a base layer and then apply most of the gel at the cuticle area, and then I'm just going to press that on at an angle starting from the cuticle area and pushing down to the free edge, and that's basically how I put them on. I feel like this is the best way because if you kind of go from free edge to cuticle area, it's kind of just gonna get all over your nails. So definitely go from cuticle area to free edge. And then I'm using the little lamp in the background and putting that on, and then once I'm happy with that, I kind of just hold that under the light, and that's pretty much what I do. So here's a better like close-up of that. As you can see, I put that on and then cure it underneath. If you do get some gel squeezing out, you can just file that away later, but it shouldn't be too much. So now I'm just cutting down the nails, and I did want to reshape the nails today. I did do like an oval almond shape, which I really liked, and I thought I would try because I've really been into that recently, just wanting to try new shapes for my fingers, I guess. So I really like it. I feel like it's definitely a super comfortable shape. I can type and, you know, pick up things and just do whatever I have to do very easily without them getting in the way, compared to like a square nail or a coughing nail. So yeah, I feel like it's just such a nice shape, and I think I'm definitely going to be doing this shape a lot more often. So I'm then just going to take my buffing block and remove the shine from the nails, and this is going to help to make sure that the gel polish I'm going to apply on top is just going to really stick onto the nail, and it's going to prevent any peeling as well. So I did end up choosing this light pink color. I thought it was very pretty, and I did do 2 coats of it because I feel like on the one coat it was too sheer, but as you can see, it's just really nice and I really like it. So that's just what I'm going to go with. So after the second coat, I did do a full 60-second cure, and I did have this like blue chrome powder that I had from the Model 1s kit that I really wanted to try, and I really loved it on top of this pink. I think it just brought a little something to the nail. And then I did the top coat. This is the Glow Tips top coat. I'm just using that today. I reckon you could use the Beetles gel in this kit as a top coat as well, but I didn't want something to make the nails look too bulky, so I just ended up doing my regular top coat, and then I finished it off with a little bit of like these crystals, and then I cured for 60 seconds and I applied my Madame Glam Elixir cuticle oil, which I really like, then just rubbing that in. And this is the final look. Let me know what you guys think of this Beetles kit. Personally, I really like it. The nails are still going really strong. I think it's about a good 3 to 4 days now, and yeah, so far so good. Nothing has chipped, nothing has changed, no lifting, everything is really good. The nails feel really strong as well. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.